My name is AC Lauren Barrett, and today I'm representing the Rhondda Sea Cadets in reading a poem by the Royal Navy. 'Twas the night before Christmas, the ship was out steaming. Sailors stood watch whilst others were dreaming. They lived in a tin can with racks tight and small, in a 30-man mess deck, camped in, one and all. I have come down the funnel with presents to give, to see who in this war canoe who might perhaps live. I looked all about, a strange sight did I see, no tinsel, no present, not even a tree. No stockings were hung, shined boots close to hand. On the bulkhead hung pictures of a far distant land. They had medals and badges and awards of all kind, and a sobering thought came into my mind. For this place was different, so dark and so dreary. I have found the house of a sailor once I saw so clearly. A sailor lay sleeping, silent and alone, curled up in a rack and dreaming of home. The face was so gentle, the mess weighed away. This was the Royal Navy sailor today. This was the hero I saw on TV, defending our country so we could be free. I realised the families I would visit this night owed their lives to the sailors so willing to fight. Soon round the world the children would play, and grown-ups would celebrate on Christmas Day. They all enjoyed freedom each day of the year, because of the sailors like the one lying here. I couldn't help wonder how many lay alone on a cold Christmas Eve on a sea far from home. The very thought brought a tear to my eye. I dropped to my knees and started to cry. The sailor awakened and I heard a calm voice, "Santa, don't cry, this life is my choice. Defending the seas all days of the year, so others may live to be free with no fear." I thought for a moment what a difficult road, to live life guided by honour and code. After all, it's Christmas Eve and the ship's underway, but freedom isn't free, and it's the sailors who pay. The sailor says to our country, "Be free to sleep tonight. No harm will come, not on my watch, not on this night." The sailor rolled over and drifted to sleep. I couldn't control it, I continued to weep. I kept watch for hours, so silent, so still. I watched as the sailor shivered from the night's cold chill. I didn't want to leave on that cold dark night, this guardian of honour so willing to fight. The sailor rolled over with a voice strong and sure, commanded, "Carry on, Santa, it's Christmas and all is secure." From all of us at the Rhondda Sea Cadets, Merry Christmas and stay safe. And to all those who have served and are in service towards our country, especially during these very difficult times, we salute you.